Manufacturing safer products for consumers to use confidently in their homes and around their families is at the core of Gelmar's family values. We're proud to achieve this with our EPA Safer Choice designated cleaning products and to have these efforts recognized for an unmatched 8th consecutive year. Gelmar takes great pride in our support for the EPA Safer Choice program and our partnership with them since 2005. We continue to support the environmental and consumer health goals of the EPA as we evolve our products to align with them. Outside the home, our CLR Pro Safer Choice designated products formulas ensure a safe workplace by excluding components that pose serious risks. A major benefit to janitors, maintenance staff, housekeepers, and anyone working with cleaning chemicals in confined spaces. We've even trademarked the word greenvenient to ensure conversations about our Safer Choice designated products reflect the convenient way to stay green. Belief in our partnership with the EPA is fully supported with a multi-tiered marketing approach. In 2021, this resulted in over 720 million advertising impressions, media impressions exceeding 360 million, and hundreds of thousands of social media impressions. This is an extension of our internal dedication to building a team who believe in and understand our purpose and effort to create safer cleaning products. Our dedication to sustainability reaches beyond our cleaning products and into our packaging. Gelmar fulfills 83% of the criteria established by the Sustainable Packaging Coalition and uses 100% recycled packaging materials. Gelmar takes the state of the world's environment seriously and does everything we can to ensure our products contribute to its overall health. We are proud of the products and packaging we produce, and that pride extends to our consistent recognition as the EPA Safer Choice Partner of the Year.